Thank you for driving me back to my hotel. Not a problem. You seemed a bit emotional. Machinery.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You must be devastated about your divorce. Not at all. But I am a bit distressed. The vehicle was